So good morning, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we had this 2010 Ford Focus, and we are going to remove this headlight so that we had an access of removing the radiator. So I will be showing you how to remove this headlight. So it's not that easy, but also it's not that hard. So when you wanna remove this, so you should start over here. So there's a couple of fastener in here, so it's better you have this special tools. It's only like $7, I guess, Canadian Tire. Remove it. So there's a couple of fastener. So we got 1, 2, and I think there's a few more there, so 4. Right here. There you go. And now we can just lift this like this, and also there is a fastener inside, so I'm gonna show it to you. There were like 2 fastener inside this, one in here and one in here. I already loosened it. It's really hard to see that right there. It's already loosened, so we're just gonna move it. I couldn't show it to you because it's really hard. And also one more over there, which is I'll already remove it. So now we can like over here, we can like move like this. Here, show it to you. So you don't have to remove it, just this came from here, so just pull it on the top of the headlight. Okay, so this came from here underneath the headlight, so just pull it. All right, and next, now we need to remove 2 bolts in here, 1 and 2. So those are 2 bolts, number 10. Oops, that's down. Two down. So now you can just move it, but you cannot remove it because of this fender. Okay, let's go on this side. Let's loosen this fender. So there's also number 10 in here, number 10 bolt, and also in here. Perfect. And now see, we can move it. We don't have to remove it, just because this side, on this side, hold on, this got stuck in here, so we have to like loosen this. And also over here underneath the fender, over here, we need to remove this, and then that, and also that. So there are like 2 or 3, 2 fastener and 1 screw. All right, so now over here, and we could show it to you. Hold on. So over here, so there is a screw there, so we'll be using this T25. Let's put in here. Let's twist it. It's not that tight. There you go. Alright, so look at that. It's not a Phillips screw, it's a T25. And then we need that thing. Where did I put it? So we need this again. So we need to remove two fastener. There you go. Nice. Alright. And then the bottom. Alright. Perfect. And then after that, let me put my... So after that, now we can pull this there and pull this out. Oh, come on. There you go. Nice. Okay. Alright. See that? And now, after we pull the thing, now we can remove the headlight. So this is and later on I'm gonna show you there is a lock in here. It's really hard to show it to you, but now you can wiggle this. There you go. Okay. All right. So this is the one that I'm talking about. It's a lock in here, so you have to pull it up. This, but you need at least like something in here, like just a little allowance, so we loosen this so we can move this. Look. All right. Perfect. So there you go. That's how you remove headlight for this 2010 Ford Focus. Now we have space now to remove the radiator. All right, that's it.